Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix TikTok creator tools are not showing on your app. Firstly, start by launching TikTok on your device. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Now on there, tap the three lines menu icon in the top right corner and from there, select Settings and Privacy. If the Creator Tools option doesn't appear in the main menu, continue to the next steps, which are in the Settings and Privacy menu. Scroll down to find Free Up Space under Cache and Cellular Data. Tap on it and clear both cache and downloads. This helps remove temporary files or bugs that may be hiding or disabling certain options in the app. Next, after cleaning your cache, close TikTok completely and reopen the app, then return to your profile. Check if Creator Tools has appeared. It's usually found under the main menu after tapping the three lines again. If the issue continues, you can contact TikTok support directly. Just go to Settings and Privacy again. Scroll down, then tap on Report a Problem and choose a related category, which is Creator Tools Missing or Other. Tap Still Have a Problem, then explain the Creator Tools option isn't showing up on your account and submit the report. TikTok support typically responds within a few days and may restore your access in a glitch or account level issue. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks about TikTok and more apps and softwares. And I will see you on the next one. Please let me know what you think in the comments below.